Hello fellow yarn lovers, welcome to Aldi. It is that time of year. Granted, it's a little bit sooner than it usually is. Normally we get this drop in September, but the drop is happening. It's literally like 10 minutes to 10, and I know that they've probably put a little bit of the yarn out. So since I'm very short of time, I'm not going to be doing anything fancy, running around getting the basket. I'm literally going to go straight in. I want to go straight into those sparkles. I want to show you what's in there, and I want to see what patterns are in there, and also I want to buy some if I can. So let's go in. Look at the yarn. I am literally going to go in straight at the sparkles. Look at this. Right, so there is like a blue rainbow glitter called Night Sky. How nice is that? Oh, it's so pretty. It is made with, it's 20% wool, 77% acrylic and 3% metallized fibre, which I'm pretty sure is just lurex. There's patterns inside, triangular scarf pattern included. That'll be interesting. I'm not going to get this colour. I'm actually going to get the mermaid colour, and we're going to have a look at that pattern. Fingers crossed it's the same pattern. Let's have a look at the mermaid one. Oh my word. This is literally what I was dead excited for. And the one up there, not going to lie, but this one, that is just a little bit of me. It's got greys, pinks, purples, a bit of a greyish kind of purpley colour. It's just the same makeup. And it's so pretty, mermaid's tail. So we're going to have a look at this pattern when I get it home. So I think, let's have a look, 4 yarn balls required for this pattern. I mean, can I be cheeky and slip the band off and have a look? I don't know. Let's have a look. I did have a little peep, and it's a knitted pattern. It's not a crochet pattern, it's knitted. I'm going to take some of this and I'm going to crochet it. So I'm going to just put this in here. A few of those, if they'll let me buy them. I hope they will. Right, the other colours of the sparkles. Oh, it feels so soft. You can't even feel the glitter in there. Oh, that's nice. That's in the colour Ecru. This one's got a crochet basket pattern. You know, 1000% you could make a scarf out of this. I'm pretty sure it's just polyester and lurex. Let's have a look. 100 grams, 68 metres. It is, yeah, 97% polyester, 3% metallized fibre. And it's like through it. It's not like wrapped around, it's like through it. Anyway, there's this colour, Ecru. There is this colour, baby blue. We've got a beautiful pink. I don't think there's any more colours of the sparkle. Isn't that so nice? Oh, wow. I'm so tempted just to remake my Miu Miu scarf in this pink. It's bloody gorgeous. So that's all of the sparkles that I can see. I'm going to move up here to this one because I was dead excited for this. This is...
Dear customers,
oh no!
Please make your way to the tills as the store will be closing shortly.
You can't tell me what to do. I'm shopping for yarn. Right, pink rainbow, pink, orange. Oh, isn't it beautiful? This looks like it's got the same triangular scarf pattern included. This will be pretty much the same makeup. It's 80 acrylic, 20 wool, and there's no metallics in that. Isn't it stunning? So that's in this beautiful colour. We've got this rainbow yarn here. It doesn't really match up with that one because this one's got like blacks and greys in it. It's kind of similar. Purples, blues, etc. We've got this beautiful rainbow one. That one there, isn't that just a little bit gorgeous? That is so freaking nice. That would actually go so nice with the black Aran. Do they have a black Aran? I'm not sure. I can see all the beautiful DKs here. Is that might be the Aran actually? I think it is. Yeah, it says So Crafty Aran. Oh, by the way, let me show you the price. I always forget this. It's literally £1.29 a ball. Fill your bloody boots. There, so this one, £1.29 a ball. That's that colour there. And I did see a brown ombre, and here it is. Look. Beautiful brown, the skin's a bit squished. We've got a lovely, for all our natural girlies out there, beautiful brown ombre in here. Let me just see, do I have another colour? Was there another ombre, or is that it? Oh yeah, there is. There is a pink ombre. Isn't that just beautiful? I think that's all of the colours that we're going to get in the rainbow ombre yarn. I think since they're like, dear customer, please get out, I'm going to have to try and speed this up. But yeah, these are so sparkly, perfect for festive projects, like really perfect. Right, let's move on to the DK. So these, you know what, the palette for these is actually working together so much nicer than it has in previous drops. I'm looking at this colour here. It's just 100% acrylic. This is 250 metres. This lovely biscuity colour called cream, even though it's biscuity colour, goes so nice. Oh, look at that. I was dreaming of this. It's called Rust. That is my type of orange. Isn't it so nice? Oh, it says 3-ply. It's basically just DK. It's like a 3-weight. We've got a black in here as well. Black yarn, white one. We've got a nice grey. You could make loads. The colours work really well this time. This one's called light grey. That's a dark green. Let me just grab it. Got like a nice bottle green called Forest.
Dear customers,
No.
please make your way to the tills as the store will be closing shortly.
This woman wants me to leave. This one's maroon. And then we've got a blue in there as well. Let's have a look. There's also a yellow. I'll get to that. The blue one, right there. Yellow one, right there, called Harvest. That's nice. Yeah, you could literally, honestly, look at this. Those three colours would make such a bloody gorgeous gingham, wouldn't they? Oh, it's so nice. Right, let me just put these back, tidy up after myself. So that's the DKs. I'll really add this biscuit colour. I really like it. Right, so onto the Arans. This is 75% acrylic, 25% wool. So if you wanted to pair it with any of the wool here, this actually feels softer than this one. But I mean, not to say that it's not soft, it just feels a little bit softer. So this one doesn't come in as many colours. It is in white, which is here. We've got a nice bright fuchsia colour, which is beautiful. We've got, this one is called Berry. Is that kind of like the red that we've just seen here? Let's do a little comparison. Oh, men will argue that those are the same colour, but they're not. They're quite different. This maroon is more purpley. Let's put you back there. We've got a light grey called Pale Grey. Beautiful. Calls for a 5mm hook, this one. Let me just put this back. This one's got a knitted scarf pattern in it. If you wanted a knitted scarf, let me just put, I'm tidying up after myself. The DK has does it have a pattern in it? Knitted headband pattern included. Where's my crochet patterns at? Right, let's move along. We've got more of the rainbow stuff here. I don't think there's any colours hidden over here. I just think that they genuinely have quite a lot of it, which is very pleasing. Although this is an Aldi over in Preston, which is not near where I live, but I mean, I'm also going to visit other Aldis to have a look and update on shorts and TikTok and stuff. Right, now this brown looked more like chocolatey online, but I'm not mad at it. It's kind of like, you know, like a dry chocolate colour. It's quite nice. This will be, is it just polyester? Yeah, it is. 68 metres in this. It's 2 yarn balls required for the pattern, crochet basket pattern. Just 100% polyester. So you got 68 metres per ball. Everything here is £1.29 per ball. Apart from the macrame, which is £1.99, but I'll get there in a second. This one, we have a lovely lemon colour. We've got like a beautiful, if you're making an elephant teddy, elephant colours. Let me move this down, you can have a look. We've got lilac, which is quite nice. We've got this little soft baby pink that is just off the chocolate yarn. And then we've got blue, and then there's a nice green here. And then there is a cream. Did I say there was a cream ivory? It looks like a cream. So there's loads of colours in that, which is really pleasing. It's really nice. And then we've got the chunkier. So the chunky yarn has got a knitted hat pattern included. You need 2 yarn balls for it. It's 100% acrylic. That's quite a nice. See, I thought that yarn was going to be more of this brown. But again, men will argue these are the same colour. So this one, chunky brown, got a nice chunky baby blue. Here, like that. We've got a nice grey, like a mild grey. You see, I could just climb in there and hide until they can sell it to me tomorrow. Oh, she wants me out.
Please make your way to the tills as the store will be closing shortly.
Chunky cream. Have I missed any? I don't think I've missed any. There was black. I missed the black. So that's a lot of colours in those. Macrame, 4 colours. 150 grams of macrame yarn. Free knot guide in the back of it. 60 metres. So there's mustard. There is pumice. There is a lovely vibrant blue called cobalt. And then we have a nice chocolate colour here. All about the chocolates this time. It's beautiful. I don't actually know if they're going to let us buy it. They better. I'll be raging. Got the half.
Dear customers, please make your way to the tills as the store will be closing shortly. The store will be closing shortly.
Guess who was allowed to buy some yarn? No, you're not peeping. Let's go back to the craft room. And we are back in the craft room. Apologies, I'm sunburned. I've been in Dumfries and Galloway all day at Eden Wool Gathering, and I've literally sunburned everywhere. Sunburn in Scotland of all places. Right, let's have a look at this. I've got a beautiful bag of yarn. So I got, now these were £1.29 each. I got 8 of the glitter rainbow yarns. I'm going to make a little swatch for you in a second. Look at that. Aren't they so pretty? So it is 3 ply. It's an Aran weight. Like that's kind of what it's feeling like. I'm going to have a look at the pattern that's on it in just a second. It is a triangular knitted scarf. There was no crochet patterns apart from a basket. I want a crochet scarf, damn it. Anyway, let's have a look. So this one was Mermaid's Tail. And I did say in the shop, 77 acrylic, 20% wool and 3% metallized fibre, which is like lurex. Now, it recommends a 5mm hook, but for Aran's, I like to use a 5.5 to a 6. So I'm going to grab my trusty 6. It should be around here. And we're going to do a swatch. 6mm. Right, I've been going around about 10 minutes now. Let's have a look at this. I can see my sunburn in the camera. It literally matches this knit core here. Right, okay, this is my swatch. Look how it's kind of colour pooled. I literally did a chainless single foundation, and that's so it's nice and stretchy, and then I've just granny stitched. I actually have a pattern for this. It's basically like a Miu Miu scarf. Like if you don't want to pay £500 for a Miu Miu scarf, literally go and get yourself some Aldi yarn or go to your local yarn store and get yourself a decent acrylic, which is quite thick and like Aran or chunky. And I'll put a button here so that you can follow my Miu Miu scarf tutorial. They work up so fast. I can literally make one in about 2.5 hours. Honestly, best pattern ever. But in this, that's beautiful. I think what I'm going to do is, that colour pooling so good. I thought I was going to be mad at the grey in it, but actually I'm not mad because the grey really sets off the sparkles in the gold. It's actually more sparkly in person than it is on camera. It's so nice. Oh, I really like it. I'm pleased I bought that. So that's just, that's eaten up that much from the ball, so not much at all, and that took me 10 minutes. I've literally been just doing that 10 minutes with my 6mm. I'm going to have a look at this pattern. I'm going to see if I can get this out of there. I think I will frog this and I will make myself probably a triangular granny stitch shawl with this, which will be so fast. Honestly, even if you're a beginner, granny triangle shawls really fast. If you feel like you want practice with the granny stitch, my tutorial is very beginner friendly, and you're literally just backing and forwarding, and as long as you make sure that you follow the instructions on it, you can't go wrong. Right, let's have a look. Should we open the band up on here? I feel so naughty. I never rip bands. I always centre pull. Right, it says triangular scarf. You will need 400 grams rainbow and ombre yarn, 5mm knitting needles, pattern notes. Oh, there's tension. We don't know her. 18 stitches is 26 rows, 10 by 10 on 5mm needles. Finished size will be 93.5 times 72 centimetres. Abbreviations: knit, purl, increase, decrease, and stitches. It's knitting, it's beyond me. The pattern is all there if you want to follow that. Since I'm not a knitter, I'm not going to make this pattern for you because like I'll probably mess it up, to be honest. But if you want a beginner friendly crochet pattern, like my pattern for this, to make yourself a beautiful scarf, and honestly, you'll think, oh, but it's all holy in winter. You will sweat your little boobs off in this once it's all wrapped around you. The longer you make it, the more you can wrap it around yourself. So knock yourself out. It is beautiful. I'm glad I got 8 balls. I will frog this and I will make this fatter. I just wanted to get a little swatch for you. But it does change colour pretty rapidly. Like most of their rainbow yarn, well, all of the rainbow yarns from Aldi do change colour pretty rapidly. So that one, which I was dead excited for. If you do a chainless foundation, it's dead stretchy. And then I got another one. The other colour I said I was excited for was this. This is the rainbow yarn in pink and orange, so this one's not sparkly. This one is pretty much the same makeup, it just doesn't have the metallic lurex in it. So it's 80 acrylic, 20 wool percentages. It does recommend same hook size, etc, etc. Is it the same? Is it the same pattern? Oh, it's trying to come apart. Let me have a look. This one's printed differently. Knit triangular scarf pattern. I think it is the same. Where's the other band? Is it just the same? This one's printed sideways. This one's printed long ways. There, this one's triangular scarf. This one's knit triangular scarf pattern. Starts with a cast on of 3, knit 3, knit 3, increase, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, it kind of looks like the same pattern. I mean, I'm no knitter, but I can tell when things are written the same. So same pattern for both of those. I'm not going to knit this. I'm not a knitter. I'm going to put this band back on there. I'm going to centre pull it and I'm going to make you a teensy little swatch. So I'm just going to go for a couple of minutes. I probably won't get as carried away as this one. I'm going to grab my trusty 6mm and I'm going to do a quick swatch for you. It's nice to crochet with. I can crochet with it pretty fast. You can feel that it's got wool in it. So this is how this is looking. It's given fruit salad. Do you know those sweeties? It's given fruit salad. It also kind of reminds me of, do you know, like the colourings? I know, like, you lovely people across the pond will say, oh, it's given, what is it, candy corn? Given candy corn vibes. Like, candy corn's not really a thing in the UK. I think, do you know those, what are those things that can remove the heads in the labyrinth? Do you know those creepy things? And then he does his eyes and he throws his eyes out. It's given those kind of colours. It's like a happy sunshine kind of thing. So yeah, this is pretty fabulous. I do like it. I just wanted to show you how quickly it changes colour. You probably could. I know that there's a colour pool calculator somewhere floating around on the internet. If you wanted to play with colour pooling in this, that is probably something that you could do, but I am not that technologically advanced. I'm just going to tie this up and put it back inside the ball until I eventually use it, which might be in 10 years. You put in how quick it changes colour, so like you'll see, oh, it changes colour every 2 centimetres, 3 inches, whatever it is, and I think it can come up with like a pattern or something for you to colour pool it. If you, I don't know, I'm not technologically advanced, I'm sunburnt and I cannot string a proper thought together. I literally got into Aldi and I didn't I've been filming all day and then we've just had like a 3-hour drive before we even got to this Aldi, and it was like 10 minutes to 10 and I was like, let's just have a look, let's just see if they've got the wool in. Luckily for us, they'd put the yarn out. Some Aldis are dead funny. I know that I've been into some and they will either won't let you buy it, or they've literally got it out the back and they won't put it out, or they'll put it out and then they'll kind of like try and block off the aisle or something. I don't know if Aldi have like circulated my photo like, do not let this woman in, the yarn must remain a secret. But not all Aldi employees are under the evil control of the Aldi mastermind, and some of them do let you just go in and get some. I mean, there was other people in there that were having a look at the yarn and I was like, I need the sparkles. So we did just put some of the yarn into the trolley and they just let us have it. It was amazing. So all in all, pretty good haul. I will be making a fat blanket. However, I have honeymoon things to finish. My honeymoon cover-up is still here. But 100%, I'm going to frog this. I'm going to make it about twice as fat. I'm going to use up all 8 balls of this. And maybe, just maybe, I might be able to do that before Yarn and a Waffle. It just depends. I need to do this beach cover-up before going on honeymoon. So all in all, I think that Aldi have done a pretty good job of getting the colours right. And I don't know if bigwigs from Aldi have seen my videos. And I think I'd said in my last one, damn it, Aldi, get some sparkles in there. And they have listened. So if you did listen to me, Aldi, thank you very much. The sparkles are very much appreciated. This is a very unique yarn and I'm very, very pleased that they've brought this to the market. What I will say is though, don't forget about your local yarn shops. Aldi do this twice a year. Maybe they'll do it 3 times. What if they drop this now and they're going to do another one in September? But don't forget about your local yarn shops, because your local yarn shops are always full of sparkles, always full of wool, always full of blends, and they are there all year. And a lot of them are struggling, so if you go past a local independent yarn shop, don't forget to drop in, maybe pick up a skein, and yes, fill your boots from Aldi. It is cheap and it is quite cheerful. But don't forget about the little guys that are there for you all year. I certainly haven't forgot about all the little guys that are here for you all year. I have a problem. I hope you enjoyed this little visit. I know it's short, I know it's brief, but hopefully I got everything there. I did look for the knitting needles. I couldn't see them. If you've seen them in the video, I've obviously had a brain fart and I've not seen them. If you do go to your Aldi and you see knitting needles, if you see crochet hooks, if you see anything other than the yarn, put it in the comments, because the community down in the comments, they need to know this. Let people know. If you have made it this far, do consider subscribing if you're not subscribed already. There is a hype button. That'd be very much appreciated if you could press the hype button. Unfortunately, Sneaky has not joined me here because I've been away for one night and my cats have fallen out with me. I need to go and put some after sun on this. It really hurts. Oh, let's have some emojis in the chat. Right, let's have some either, because I've been driving all day, can we have some car emojis or can we have some wool or yarn related emojis? That'd be very much appreciated. I'm going to see you in Tuesday's video, which is the Festival of Quilts 2026, when me and my sister went for a wacky adventure and bought far too much material. I will also see you on Friday for Yarn and a Waffle, which, you never know, I might have actually got a beautiful scarf finished in this. I will try my very best to get you that done, but it is my pattern that I'm going to use and it is linked down below. I'm hoping I'll have a honeymoon thing to show you, but you might have to wait until I actually put out the making my honeymoon crochet things video, which should be in the next 2 to 3 weeks. I'll finish the items first and then I'll put the video out because I can't make the video now. I literally have what looks like a scarf. Again, thank you so much for your time and watching this video, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye!